Feel that fire inside. Restlessness, frustration, the gnawing sense that the obvious routes to growth are blocked, overcrowded, or just plain broken. Founders struggling with stalled ventures, investors staring at portfolios soaked in risk and loss, leaders drowning in noise while the next big opportunity slips through their fingers. The world screams, invest safe, follow the rules, stick to the usual. But what if that's the biggest lie holding you back right now? What if the real gold isn't in shiny startups or polished blue chips, but hidden deep inside the wreckage, the distressed assets everyone else runs from? That's where the truth and your breakthrough live. Listen carefully, because this isn't about playing it safe or waiting for luck to strike. It's about tearing apart the illusions that chain you and seizing control over chaos. Distressed assets aren't just bad debt or toxic properties. They're unpolished diamonds. They're broken businesses with bones strong enough to be rebuilt. They're markets forgotten in panic and fear, waiting for the few who dare look close and act fast. Here's the brutal truth. Those who stick to comfort are dying quietly in the background, while the bold rewrite the rules and rake in fortunes from assets others quit on. The pain you feel, the helplessness when incredible potential is wasted, when capital sits frozen or burns with uncertainty, that pain is the signal. It's the red flag screaming opportunities are hiding right under your nose. Stop wasting time chasing trends that break under pressure. Distressed assets demand brutal honesty, deep analysis, and relentless action. Get obsessed with cash flow problems, management failures, hidden liabilities. Go beyond surface numbers. Demand full transparency. Talk to insiders. Dive into every debt covenant. And hunt the undervalued like a hawk, zeroing in on prey. This is your weapon. Then, destroy the mindset of victimhood. You're not rescuing failing companies. You're engineering rebirths. Buy with surgical precision, reshape with ruthless discipline, and launch with visionary grit. Create teams that know restructuring like a second language. Learn exactly where to cut fat, what capabilities to salvage, and how to pivot faster than rivals can blink. Use human capital, the forgotten force, to turn internal crises into engines of growth. Your advantage isn't just price, it's your ability to rebuild what others see as junk. Don't just wait for downturns, anticipate them. Build proprietary pipelines by building relationships with distressed debt holders, creditors, even hostile shareholders. Think beyond borders. Problems in one country mean untapped assets in another. Strap into a global mindset that doesn't play by old tribal loyalties, but moves capital like electricity, striking wherever friction proves most lucrative. Shift from reaction to creation. If the market screams crisis, prepare your moves yesterday. Here's where many fail. Emotions, fear, impatience, doubt. Rid yourself of those chains. Own the discomfort of uncertainty. Discipline your mind to see opportunity where others see chaos. This is power. This is freedom. This is the absolute liberation that only destructive capitalism can offer, to burn the old and build the impossible. The system didn't design itself for you to succeed in distressed assets. It traps you in mediocrity. Break that trap now. Every second you hesitate, someone else absorbs the opportunity you crave. Your mission is simple and urgent. Master the art of buying distressed assets with surgical precision, rebuild them with relentless drive, and sell or scale with brutal clarity. Build networks that connect the misaligned but powerful few. The founders, the investors, the fixers, the ones who refuse to settle for the comfortable lies of the past. Your edge is not just money or skill. It is the courage to transcend limitations, to claim your individual freedom, and to remake the world in a way only you can. This path is not for the comfortable. It's raw. It's ruthless. It demands your whole self. But in the burnt ruins of failure, you will find the heartbeat of true potential. Distressed assets are not the end. They are your next hidden gold mine. So stop doubting, stop waiting, and start dismantling the system's illusions that steal your future. The world is ready to give you power. The question is, are you ready to take it?